Is there a way to keep every stakeholder engaged in the BIM process? An easy way for them to quickly view the models and review issues? Let's talk about it. It's often challenging to get all stakeholders fully engaged in the BIM process, considering the time it takes to install softwares, the learning curve, and the need to switch between different tools. As a BIMcollab Nexus user, this tool is already in your pocket, our WebViewer. Right within your space, you can easily set up federated models by uploading any number of IFC models. And thanks to advanced streaming technology, you will only download what you are looking at, making it lightning fast and super efficient. Here's how WebViewer can make your workflow easier. First, easy access. All you need is a browser. Once the models are uploaded, stakeholders can view them in a browser on any device. Second, get information you need for smooth coordination. In meetings, instantly show models to stakeholders, discuss issues, or check quantity lists, all from one place. Third, custom views. Create tailored views so team members focus what matters most. Control access to specific models or views. Amazing, right? Now try setting up your model streaming directly in your space. If you need any help, check out our Help Center articles.